People have spent 12 years, 20 years in the US. They own nothing. Kwa American system nzibu. American system. Teri muntu agenda kuwa sete za bwerere. Ngane wafe Uganda. Wanubira wane Uganda nochi angatolina sete nebuzibango inaka kadi. Just kuba aseke. Nze sete bwezimbula nganzije ekitabo kyange. Nsoka mukuru wange hamu. Nimuga baba. Baba Yasini nembaga buraza wa mwerero mwavu. Nibakuwa sente. Not de wa mama kadaga. Aba yakayingira ngosoze nti senga. Obwavu bunuma. Numalirize no mbaganda ba president bano ba Uncle Sodo ba Uncle Toyota. Nga Uncle Toyota sente zimbuze. You end up having 10 million for free. Kati how can I go to America really? Kati eze million ekuminzijewa. In Uganda okuba oluseke you can get 10 million for free. Ngatu inachokoze. Just moving into big people. Kati bangambye nti atazigaba ye speaker. Mama Anita Amongi. Mama Amongi sinna kuba ku luseke but I'm coming. Beyazadde bankomya ku gate. Njagala kujja mama kulaba ku balongo. My brothers. Siba balongo ba speaker bawala balenzi. Okay, whatever they are. Whether they are girls or boys. Mama speaker Anita Amongi. I want to come and see you. To abalongo mbachekingeko. So that I can really see how we can really tustule kubana. Shitegere. Kati nzenzire Canadans. Nsenye embarasi amanyo. Mbajania jango yole biwaba kade mi son of Mirundi. I can't. I would not come. I swear, I would not come. Let Kaye do it. Me. Nsenye embarasi amanyo. Mbunjolo busabu embarasi. I will not come. Don't even bother waiting for me. As long as I still have these legs and this head. Wano Uganda emmere ya bwerere. Usabutuze mu restaurant ne bakuwa n'okubakalango. People eating free food. So how can I live this system really? So, but I'm not discouraging people. If you really want to go, you can study from there. Genda. Fena twagalachi. Era tugamba bujuni ya yatulangide. Na tugamba abebweru tetwira chetuli. That's not what I've said. Maite mwagala mazima. I'm trying to tell you that even in Uganda, people are doing okay. Wana bantu bayine senti. Abazina mu bungi, abatazina tebazina. Wana abantu bayine senti. Mu Uganda tambolo olwe Monday. Was that you say the serious? Abantu babera mabala. Bali mukuli ambizi. Emotoka. Katugenda ku you. Tuli ku you beach. UBP. You bichu. Banange motoka zidduka mu bondi. Na akagule motoka yange UBN. Choka kati eiseke namba 2 mu myezi 3. Tuli ku you bichu.